Hi, today I'm gonna draw Sonic. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a line going down and then I will connect it. I'm gonna start with the feet. Line and connect. I'm gonna add a curve going up, side, and down. Line, line, curve, and connect. Notice how I'm doing organic shapes? They are curved shapes, not geometric shapes. Diagonal, diagonal. I'm gonna add the socks now by adding some curves. I'm gonna connect it, curve, curve, line. I'm gonna add a diagonal, straight line, straight line and connect, diagonal, line, curve, diagonal, diagonal, I'm gonna go now with the hand by adding some curves like this. This is the palm of the hand. Then I'm gonna draw the fingers. Start with the thumb, now I'm going with the other finger until I finish my hand. And I'm gonna connect it. Curve, curve going back, and connect. I'm gonna add the nose, diagonal, and a triangle for the mouth. I'm gonna finish the mouth by making it a little bit more pointy. I'm gonna add a straight line, well, a little bit more curve than straight. Then a curve, and with a diagonal, I'm going to connect it like that. It's kind of like a small W. I'm gonna add the eyes. The eyebrows. And I'm gonna add a line because it went a little bit overboard. Now it looks better. It's just one line. Okay, I am gonna add the hair now. I'm gonna add a triangle for the ear. The other ear, and then a small triangle. I'm gonna add a line. Then I will start with connecting and the hand. We're gonna put the fingers now. Remember, he's holding the mic. So it's gonna be his hand, it's gonna be closed. I'm gonna add a rectangle, a circle, line, line, line. A triangle. I'm going to close that, the other finger, and then a line there, line. And I'm going to finish with the hair, curve, curve. And then the other one. I'm going to add the lines of expression as well as his belly. And I'm gonna connect the whole thing, the body. Okay. I'm also gonna add a curve there. And now that I know nothing is missing, I will color. I'm gonna start first with blue. So I'm gonna color everything with dark blue. Notice that I also put some baby blue or light blue. I'm gonna add some skin color, red, brown, not brown, gray, sorry. And lastly, purple. Okay, I'm done with my Sonic. I hope you like this video. So subscribe to my channel and see you next time.